Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 or 11. RAM cache is a temporary storage area for recently used data. However, over time RAM cache can become cluttered and start to slow down your computer. So it is necessary to clear RAM cache time to time to improve performance of your PC. So there are lots of ways to clear RAM cache in your PC, but here I will show you a professional memory cleaner tool, RAMMap, to free up memory cache. So let's get started. So first, if you want to see how much RAM cache your computer has stored, you can do that by using Task Manager. So I need to right click on the taskbar, and from here you have to select Task Manager. And once the Task Manager page will open, you have to click on the Performance tab, and under this you will find Memory. Just click on this, and here you will find your RAM cache is occupied 1.2 GB in your PC. Okay, so in use 2.5 GB, available is 1.4 GB, and RAM cache occupied 1.3 GB. So here you may find that lots of cache memory pile up which can slow down your computer. So in this case you need to free up RAM cache timely. So let's figure out ways to clear that numbers. Okay, so first what you have to do, I have to open my web browser, and here you have to type RAMMap and press on enter. And in the search result you will find a Microsoft site. So my first step is to download and install RAMMap from the Microsoft websites. So for that, just click on this. Once the page will open, here you will find RAMMap version 1.61. So scroll down little bit, and after that you will find download RAMMap. So you need to just click on this. It's a zip file, and the downloading is started. So this is a very small tool, only 671 KB of file. So now you need to open the zip file. So this is the zip file, so I need to extract it. So for that, just right click on this and click extract here, and the file will be extracted. Okay, after that you will find application file, 3 numbers of application file. Choose the application files which is 662 KB. Okay, so just right click on this and click on run as administrator, and whatever message will come, just click on yes. After that you will find a RAMMap window will open. Here you will find a tab called empty. Just click on this, and in the drop down list you will find empty standby list. You need to just click on this. So first what I will do, I will open the Task Manager page here. So I will keep both the Task Manager and RAMMap sites side by side, so that you can see how this tool decreases the RAM cache immediately. Okay, so here you will find RAM cache occupied 1.2 GB. So now you have to click on empty, and from here you have to just select empty standby list. Once I click on this, you will see my RAM cache is decreasing. See, earlier it was 1.2 GB, now it is only 98 MB showing. Okay, so whenever your system runs low on memory, use the above methods to clear the RAM cache. Okay, so this is a very handy tool. You can use this tool anytime you want. And that's how you can clear the RAM cache in Windows 10 or Windows 11 using RAMMap. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.